This is my High Point firearm, NASCAL company. It's a 45. It's a 45, and this is what it looks like. This is your safety right here. This is your magazine release, and it's a big gun. It's heavy, and if you're looking down the barrel of that, I think it would scare the hell out of you. It's a real nice gun, and this is the other side where the bullets eject, and this is your magazine. It's really good and accurate, and it's got these nice sights on it that really line up good. It shoots really straight, and I'm using it on my sawmill.work business. You can go to that website if you want to check out my business. And I bought 2 of these guns because they're so reasonably priced at Sportsman's Guide, and they're really reasonably priced. And if you're a club member, you even get a discount off the already low price. So that's why I bought 2 of them, because I can't even buy one gun for what I paid for both of them. And so this is a really nice gun. If you run out of bullets, you can always use it for a club. Take care. God bless. Have a nice day.
That caught my attention. That's a big fish. Yeah, that's high.